Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we will present about our project, which is All4Cycling. So presently there is no framework set up for bike rental organization at vacation destination Teluk Batik Manjung to refresh bike rental data in an ideal way. Our point is to plan a bike rental management system to take care of the issue. The system enables tourists and the bicycle rental services to access bike info and run bike management efficiently while also assisting business in managing their income. With the bike rental administration framework, we can look through all the rental bike data and rental records online whenever and can likewise score the rental experience. The executive updates the client and bike data in an ideal way, improve the rental enlistment and finish appointments and checks the everyday pay. Thusly, the board is more coordinated and advantageous for both first and end clients. So, All4Cycling is an electronic application framework for the bike tenants for travelers or anybody that is out for diversion at Teluk Batik. This framework empowers them to make their leasing administrations accessible to anybody on the web and furthermore permits them to keep records in a more coordinated ways. The majority of today's bicycle rental business lack a system which usually results in higher losses for renters because many renting services are still unknown and income management is disorganized. Furthermore, users who come to use the service will be at a disadvantage because details such as the availability of the bicycle and the costs are not clear anywhere. As a result, our suggested All4Cycling scheme is the solution to the problem.
Next is the objective for this project. There are 3 objectives that we have determined for this project, which is firstly, to make it easier for the people who want to book a bicycle online. Next, to make it easier for the company that renders the bicycle to collect and retrieve data of customers who book and rent bicycles in more details. And lastly, it is easier for the company to track and calculate income daily or monthly. The project scope for this project is tourists or bicycle renters and a company that renders their bicycle at Teluk Batik because the system is designed specifically for them to handle the system more efficiently. Next is the market potential. The most important part for a project is to make sure that your project gets to be marketed potentially in the future. So, other than bicycle rental at Teluk Batik, All4Cycling, which is our project name, can be marketed to those bicycle rental services around Ipoh. We can make them our target since they also imply the same traditional method where there is no exact form or system for customer to use the service. Generally, by using this website, bicycle rental services will be able to operate their business in a better, efficient way as the system will help them to organize information more accordingly. In addition, there is no budget involved in the process of developing this system and project.
Here I present to you the demo of using All4Cycling website. So this is the main page or home page for All4Cycling. All4Cycling is special for someone who want rent your bicycle quick and easy by doing it online. There can booking, there's date and also package and the payment method that they want and then knowing the total price of the package. So here is the main page of it. So we put a picture and a simple paragraph of the All4Cycling, and then after that there's many buttons that attractive in here. And then for example, menu. If we click the menu button, we can see the package that All4Cycling been offered to the customer. As you can see, the package is Kasturi, Orchid and Lilac, and we show the time and also the price to the customer. So we click the button book now, and then the login, if the customer do not log in, and then they need to log in. So we need to register first because the customer does not have any account. So for example, the customer name is Honey. So we put Honey, and then the username is Honey, and then we put password, email, phone, and all the data, and then the data will key in into the database, and click the submit button, and then the login page will appear in here. So we put the username Honey and then the password, and we click the button login, and then here the page of booking. So the name of the customer, which is Honey, will appear, and then if Honey want to choose the date, there we click the date, and then if Honey want to choose the package of orchid, click, and then the price will automatically appear, and then the quantity, and then the system will calculate the total price automatically. So the payment Honey want is the cash, and then we click cash, and then they want to choose whether cash or e-wallet, and then we click the book button, and then your booking has submitted. For example, the customer Honey want to print the receipt, they can click the print the receipt button, and then after that we click the print the receipt button, and then the print will appear here. So we can click the print button here if we want to print the receipt, or we can click the cancel, and then we can click the back to home, and then we will appear home page here. So log out, so the page logout will be appear here. So if the customer want to log in again, they can click the login, and then that's it. So easy and busy. Next is the admin login interface. If the admin want to log in into the website and then want to see the user database, and then we can click into the login admin at the bottom of the website, and then for example, the data the admin already exists in the database. So we key in the admin username and password, and we click the login button, and then as you can see, welcome Lala. Lala is the name of the admin. It will appear the Lala. It will appear the name of the admin, and then if we want to manage user booking, we can click at it, and then we can see the manage customer booking. So all the data that customer has been insert or will be appear in here. So for example, the existing data that we insert before is already in here. So as you can see, so if you want to delete the data, you can click the delete button, and then the data will be deleted, and then all the data will be discarded from database. And for example, we want to modify the customer booking, or the customer want to manage or want to change their package or their event name or the date, we can click the modify button here, and then we can change the package. For example, Nor want to change their package, and then we change the package. For example, Nor choose lilac, and then the price, and then the quantity, and then also the total price, and then we click the modify button here, and then after that it will view modify customer booking page. And then for example, no one to print the receipt, so admin can click the print the receipt, and then the receipt will appear in here, and then the admin will give to the customer, and then we click back to home. This is the home, and then if you want to, we click again the manage user booking, and if we want to accept the customer booking. We click accept here. So the email for the customer will appear in here. So this is the email. So if you want to send the email, we click the send the email to the customer. And then the email has successful has been delivered to the customer. And then we click the back to home, and then that will appear the home. And then that's all. We click the logout, so it will getting back to the admin login page. So that's all for me. So thank you. This is the demo of the All4Cycling.